Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RK SoftAcademy. In this session, I will discuss about my Oracle SQL Professional Course, which I deliver through online interactive classes. Okay, so friends, after watching my video in this tutorial channel, I already uploaded many videos starting from very basic level to the advanced level. If you can see here, starting from basic SQL, that is structured query language, various DBMS concepts, so very many topics on SQL, to the advanced level of PL SQL programming topics like you can see array, explain plan, meteorized view, records, cursors, and there are many videos. There are also database administration videos on database administration, on and also had started a one series of interview questions and answers from this video, difference between procedure and function. And every video you can just watch, there are many questions and answers, interview questions and answers I discussed in detail. So each of my video I tried to discuss in detail, and also hands-on implementation, so that after watching you can get a complete understanding and learning from my video. Okay, so friends, after watching my video in my YouTube channel, if you become interested taking my interactive online trading, you can watch this video and add this popular technical skill, that is Oracle SQL, PL/SQL programming, Oracle forms and reports development, Unix shell scripting, and I also provide training for Oracle database administration. So all these technical skills you can add in your career, which will definitely help you to proceed one step ahead in the job and technology. Okay, so to learn Oracle completely as a professional, and want to make your skill and grow your technical career, I just discuss about the Oracle SQL Professional Course in this tutorial session. Okay, so now talking about the Oracle SQL. Today SQL is very much popular and demanded language to learn. Either you want to become a Oracle developer or web developer or any Oracle technology platform you have work with. Oracle is used to almost all big and small companies. Okay, so so demand of SQL developer, like it's very high in job market, so why you be seated in behind? Okay, so and remember one thing, your skill is more important than certificate. If you learn skill well and make your skill, no certificate is required. Okay, this is I take you means I told you, I'm telling you indeed, which I have seen in my 17 years of careers. Okay, so because when you sit for any interview for SQL developer or Oracle developer or APL SQL developer or database tester, data analyst roles, so there are interviewer will check or test your technical abilities and skills only. Okay, if you make good all these whatever he or she will ask you, and you can answer well, and show your confidence and skill, there is no need to show any certificate to the interviewer, or he or she will never ask you for any certificate. Okay, And what I wanted to tell you that this course does not offer in any certificate after completion. This is the reason I already described you. So who are watching this video first time, for them I want to introduce myself. I already have given introduction about my channel, what type of video I uploads, and about me. I wanted to tell that my name is Robin and I have total 17 years of experiences working with all Oracle technologies in and also Unix technologies in multiple MNC companies, and in various positions, like started from Oracle developer, then technical consultant, then technical lead, then project lead, then team lead, senior system analyst, associate project manager, and also project manager. So currently I am a senior Oracle consultant and corporate and technical trainer. I provide training for many MNC companies, their induction batches, also experienced employees, and I'm taking interviews for many MNC companies candidates to recruit the candidates. Okay, so after all, so I offer all professional trainings and courses on different Oracle and Unix technologies, which I already told you, about which I already discussed, right? Now coming to what all the modules I cover in my Oracle SQL Professional Online Interactive Training course. Okay, so yes, this is the course name is Oracle SQL Professional Course. Okay, training, and I provide it in online interactive training sessions and classes. I There are 27 modules total, and I'll describe each module, what contains the content, the topics and subtopics details. Okay, so in SQL module 1, we'll learn introduction about the database, what is data, what is a database, and what is a DBMS and RDBMS. Okay, and in second module we are going to learn what is SQL, what is SQL star plus, SQL command language, and type of SQL statements, various types of SQL statements. In module 3 we will discuss about SQL data types, SQL operators, various types of operators like comparison operators, Boolean operators. Okay, in module 4 SQL we will discuss about, we'll learn about SQL single valued functions, SQL date functions. Okay, all the date functions. Okay, in module 5, SQL module 5, we discuss about database design concepts, how database is designed, what are the key components we have to consider before going to start a design of a database, business application basically. And we will discuss about Oracle objects and object types. In module 6, SQL module 6, we'll learn about SQL select statements, various clauses in SQL, and how to fetch data using where conditions. Okay, so in module 7, I'll going to discuss about what is constraint in SQL. There is a constraint in SQL, so I'll discuss about different types of constraint in SQL. All constraints like primary key, foreign key, unique, check, not null. So all these constraints we'll discuss, and we'll see in practical how they can they used in the application design. Okay, so in module 8 I will discuss about creating tables using another table data, how to create one table using the another table data. So we'll discuss about modify table columns, how to modify table columns, how to alter table constraints, how to drop table constraints. Okay, In module 9 I'll discuss about what is a table. So this is very much important. The table is a basic unit of a database storage. Okay, so I'll discuss about what are the rows and columns, creating tables using the create table statements, describing tables, how to we can see the structure of a table, creating tables using the relations. Okay, many tables, how we can arrange in the relation. Okay, so in module 10 I'll discuss about fetching data using group by. There are various clauses: group by clause, having clause, order by, and AC and DSC. These are all things will be discussed and will be shown in practical. Okay, and in module 11 I'll teach about DDL operations on table, various DDL operations like alter, truncate, drop, and rename. Okay, in module 12 I'll teach about creating tables using another table data, modify, alter, drop. Okay, and 13 module is about to SQL joins. This is very important. Joins, all types of joins will cover in this section: inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join, and self join and cross join. So we'll see how they are useful in SQL queries to fetch data. And in 14 module SQL module 14 will I will teach about SQL subqueries, various subqueries like simple subqueries, correlated subqueries, and we'll see the practical in how they can be used. Okay, in module 15 I'll discuss about SQL set operators. So state operators are various set operators in SQL: union, all, intersect, and minus. Okay, we'll discuss and detail in this section. In module 16 I'll discuss about SQL group functions. There are various group functions, and these are count, stir, count, max, min, sum, and avg. Okay, we'll discuss in detail and we'll see the use of those functions. In module 17 I will teach about SQL conversion functions, various conversion functions like to number, to correct, to char, and to date. We'll see how they help us to fetch data and conversion of data. Okay, in 18 module we'll discuss about SQL date functions. There are sysdate in SQL, and there are various date functions like add months, months between, last date, and next day. All these functions about the date related functions we'll discuss, and we'll see what are their practical use. Okay, in 19 module we'll cover views. What is a view, creating view using the create view statement, and differences between view and table. Okay, in 20 module we'll cover sequences. What is a sequence, why sequence is useful, and creating sequence using the create sequence statement. Okay, we'll see. In 21st module I'll discuss about synonyms. What is a synonym, why it is useful, and creating synonyms using create synonym statements. Okay, in 22nd module I'll discuss about Oracle dual table. This is very much important to understand, and various pseudo columns I'll discuss about row ID, row num, etc. Okay, and 23rd module I'll discuss about SQL aliases. What is a aliases, what are aliases, and using aliases in SQL statements, how they can be used. Okay, in 24th module SQL module 24th I'll discuss about how we can handle null functions using in SQL. There is various functions which handles null actually. So this is NVL basically, it is a typo. So NVL functions and NVL2 functions, null if functions, and Koleski functions. Okay, and 25th module will discuss about index, very important concept you have to know, and it is basically from the basic level to the advanced level it can be discussed, and also database administration. Also, if you understand in index database, it is useful for a database administrator also. Database administrator also use index to tune the SQL queries. Okay, this is very important in Oracle technology. Okay, so we'll cover about the all the indexes, what is the index, why index is required, creating uses index using the create index statement, and different types of indexes, and dropping indexes. Okay, in 26th module I'll discuss about SQL transactions control language, that is TCL. What is a transactions? There are various transaction control language we'll use in our transactions SQL. There are commit, rollback, and set point. What are their use, and how they can manage transactions. Okay, we'll discuss in detail and with practical. Okay, so in 27th module there are 2 tests have been taken after completion of all the sections. There are practical practice test 1 and practice test 2. Okay, and 2 tests will be taken. Now coming to other details and joining information, the duration is 10 hours. It may be extended 1-2 hour more if required, and fees are total INR 12,600, that is comes to $168 as per today's market. And mode is online interactive course or classes. Payment mode or process is direct. You have to pay you have to pay fees directly to transfer to the bank account, and to get the bank account details you have to you have just a second. Yeah, okay. To get the bank account details you have to contact in the email ID. This is the email ID for me. You can write me an email. I'll give the details about the bank account. Okay. Okay, so payment terms is 100% in advance before start of the session or course. Okay, and available slots are 2 hours, that is 10 hours for the full course. So 2 hours that will complete in 5 days, or maybe if 1 or 2 or more, another day will be required. So available slots are Monday to Friday 8 a.m. IST to 10 a.m. IST either, or 6:30 p.m. IST to 8:30 p.m. IST. Okay, and there is also a weekend batch who are professionals, actually who has working professional and who are attached to any company. They can join this time 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, this is IST time, all the IST time. Or if this times also not matching with you, you can discuss in as per we can discuss as per our convenience. Okay, so this is detail about the joining information. And what I already told in the beginning, this course is only for learning and making skill. No certificate will be provided after completion. Okay, because today's recruiters do not give importance to any certificate, and not look from where you did your learning course. In interview they will only check your or test your acquired knowledge and skills. Okay, and if you have only bachelor degree or any engineering degree, any bachelor degree or diploma, whatever you have, that is enough for as a formal education. Okay, so I keep this fee affordable so that most of the learner can join and grow their skills and career. Okay, and this is a special note, who are not able to afford this fee but interested to join my course, and they can email me about their concerns, and I'll try to consider how much I can reduce this fee, but honesty is always expected. Okay, whatever concerned you will discuss, that should be true. Okay. And thanks for all, thanks for watching this, and I believe no education or learning becomes completed without paying fee to your teacher or mentor. Okay, I believe this. Okay. So, yeah, friends, you may become agree with me. Okay. So this is all about my Oracle SQL Professional course. If you interested, just do the process as quickly as possible. SQL, this course is commencing, I'm going to start coming Monday, that is 28th of February. Okay. So once you I'll get a mail from you in this email ID. I'll share my details so that you can do your process and pay the fees and start your course as soon as possible, and it is going to start 28th. So this process going to happen by 2 days back of 28th, and by 26th only. Okay. So that's all for this today's session. So if you are interested and make your career in Oracle technology, you can just start your career doing this by starting this course, and it will be very helpful for you, and you will definitely get benefit of this course. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this session, and just after watching my video, if you like this, just give a like, and also subscribe my channel. All the videos you in my tutorial channel, you can watch it. If you learn from my video, you just give a like and comment below the video. Whatever your comment is, I always explain each thing in easy way and hands-on practical. I tried all videos on that basis. So just after watching, if you learn something from my video, or if you like it, just give a like and subscribe it in my channel, hitting the notification bell, so that next video you can get the notification. Okay. And also share it with your friends and colleagues, so that they can learn also from my video and they can grow their skills. Okay. So also today's tutorial about today's courses which I discussed here, which I'm going to start SQL Professional course in coming 28th of February. If you going to join this, you can just start your process, or if your friends and colleagues, whoever known to you, they are interested to join, you just share this video to them, so that they can also join this course and take the benefit. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this session, and bye.